Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Akash Patel from Concordia University, Chicago, and this is the second part of my SOS Alert mobile app. In the first video, we create the XML layout, activity main.xml from the for the main screen, and item user.xml for the contact rows. Uh, in today's video, we will learn about write the full MainActivity.kt code live, understand how we add the contacts, save them in SQLite, and show them in a list view. See how we request permission and start a foreground stake detection service. And finally, I will do the live demo so you can see the app sending an SOS SMS message with location. So let's start with the main activity file. So you can see here this is the main activity KT file, and this file controls the main screen logic of the app. Let's start with some imports. You can see here I import something like some codes here. So at the top we have some import statements. So one is like the this brings in Android classes like app content activity, then intent. You can see here, then list view, button, permissions helper, and also our own classes like TP helper, contact models, and sense services. So then we define the class main activity. Let's start by doing the code. Let's start. Let's start with class main activity, then app compact activity. Start. So space, then companion object. Let's start with private constant, const value, request, then let's do second private, set value, peak, contact, then private constant value, permission, request code and read. But then private list view, TV developer, then private custom adapter. Then private file list. Mutable mutable list, contact model, is equal to mutable list of then override for non create bundle and set contact view r dot dot layout dot activity main, then set button 1 is equal to find view by ID. They can use the ID. Then let's see the list view is equal to find view by ID. And db is equal to db helper this. Then let's load contact from db. Then let's list view dot set on click listener. List session. Then show position true. System. Then let's set one permission if else all critical permission request else start sensor service if needed. Then if you dot version dot sdk int greater is equal to version codes dot m. pm is equal to get system service name name get system service power service as power manager if pm is ignoring battery optimizations package name as let's add emergency contacts. Then let's button one dot set on click listener, enter if db dot count greater or equal to 5, toast dot make text this duty can't more than 5 contacts and toast dot length sort dot so else well peak intent let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Is equal to intent. Okay, let's see. Let's do the error clear. Okay, you can see all the error is clear. Now let's it's our code is done. So we added everything. Okay. So I will explain you everything one by one. So first, uh, uh, so that we defined the class main activity app. This means main activity is a screen which extends Android's app content compact activity. Mention the main variables button, list, DB, adapter, list of contacts. Button 1, button our add SOS contact button, list view, uh, the list of saved contacts, then DB, uh, a help class to talk the SQLite database. So then list, uh, this is the actual contact object we saw, an adapter, last one. This connects the list of contacts to the list view. This variable will be used in on creates and other methods. So On create setting up UI list. Okay, this on creates. So first we call the set content. You can see here set content view our layout main activity. This connects this activity to the XML layout we created in video one. Button one, you can see button one and list view and DB. So now our Kotlin code is connected to the XML view. Ex- So next I call a function like loading context from DB. You can see from DB. So this function asks the DB helper to give me all saved context from SQLite, put them into the list, and then set the custom adapter on the list view. So this means when the app opens, it will immediately show any contacts that were saved earlier. So I also set a long click listener on the list view. When I long pressed on contact, a open small dialog box. Do you want to delete this contact? So I also can delete the I also can delete that number contact. So we can easily delete a contact if needed. Uh, then a button. Now let's see what happened when we press the Add SOS contact button. In the click listener of button 1, I create an intent to open the phone's contact app using the action pick. You can see here. Which contact contract dot common data kinds for dot phone dot content URI. Then I use the start activity for result so that when the user select a contact, we get the result packed in our on activity result function. So describe what happened in on activity result. So in on-activity results, get the returned contact URI, query the contact's name and phone number from the contacts database, create a new contact model, name phone object, save it in SQLite using db.addContactContact, and then call load contacts from db again to refresh the list view. So after selecting a contact, it immediately appear in our SOS contact list on the main screen. So then now talk about the permissions. So because our app sends SMS and reads the location, we need some permissions. So send SMS, access course location, access find location, and the permissions to run a foreground service. In the activity, I have function like check and request permissions, which checks if each permission is ready given. If not, it add it to a list and then call activity compact.request permission to ask the user. The system will show the standard permission pop up to the user. After permission is granted, we can start our sensor service. I create an intent well service intent is equal to intent this sensor service class.java. You can see here. So then I call context compact this on the Android 8 Plus to start it as the foreground service. The foreground service means it will keep running in the background even when the app is not open. The system shows a notification that the SOS 6 detection is active and the system is less likely to kill the service. You can also mention stopping, and whenever I want to stop the SEC detection, I can call stop service from the activity from using control. So that's it. You can see I can cover everything, right? This is the that delete box, then battery. Then let's run the app. Let's connect my phone, and I will show you by running the app. And you can see here my phone. Let's run the app. Let's see it's running. I hope it's all okay. Yes, you can see it. I've already added. Let's delete this and add my friend number, Rishikesh, and I added this. And when I shake here, when I shake strongly, you can see shake detected, sending SOS. So you can see here that kind of message goes to my friend. Hey Rishi, I am in danger. I need help. This is my location. When I click this, it's showing my location. Yes, you can see here. This is my location. So that's the main thing. And you can delete if you want to delete it. So you can delete. And when you want to stop, you have to stop from the here. So it's stopped. Then I can remove this. Okay, so that's it. So this is my app. So that's the complete flow of my SOS alert app. So in video 1, we built the UI layout in XML. Video 2, we wrote the MainActivity.kt code. We saw how to save the contact in SQLite and show them with a custom adapter. Start a foreground SEC detection service. And finally send an SOS SMS with location when the phone is second. So I want to give a big special thank you to my professor Dr. Victor Swami for his continuous guiding and motivation. His teaching style really encourages us to build real projects like this and learn step by step. So if you learn something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. And thank you so much for watching. This is Akash Patel from Concordia University, and I will see you in next project video.